taste the stuff. You eating it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Good chicken. Good chicken.
Alright.
It's delicious. How many teeth does he have?
9. No. 10. 6 on top, 4 on bottom.
Oh, okay. What'd you say? You got 9.
It's 10.
You just give me a spoon because they all got forks already. I guess you were too slow to the punch. They went got.
Is it good, y'all? It's some ice cream here. It's just cookies and cream though. My vanilla's at
Okay,
home.
I'll eat that. I'll let you know.
Well,
Peaches and cream.
Somebody else gonna have
Peaches
the
and cream
cookie.
ice cream. Cookies and cream ice cream.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I'll eat that.
All right, baby.
Some vanilla here too.